In that we are discussing about impact of climate change on India. How it will be changed. Once we'll go to the previous classes. How many topics I have completed? I will repeat you all. In the climate of India, I said you about climate and weather, factors influencing the climate and weather, and seasons. There are 3 seasons like that. And more about the global warming. Yes or no? Global warming and climate change. And AGW. What the full form of AGW? Tell me. I think you all know everyone. Yes? AGW and IPCC. Okay? Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Next, today's topic is impact of climate change on India. Okay, ready with your textbooks now? Open your page number 35. Impact of climate change on India. See how it will be changes. Though a rise of 2 degrees Celsius in average temperature may appear to be small, it would result in a rise of on 1 meter in sea levels by early next century. This would affect large portions of our coastal areas and millions of people would have to be shifted. They would lose their livelihood. See, maybe if our temperature is 2 degrees Celsius, we'll face so many issues. Right, children? So many problems we have to face. And maybe it will be a small or 1 meter is sea level by early next century. 1 meter nearby the sea levels. If the sea is filled full of water, maybe in future we'll get a problem with the water. Maybe waves may occur, tsunami may occur. That's why they are facing so many problems. They have to shift from one place to another place to save their lives in their livelihood. Nearly 200 squatter families living in a Nonadanga in East Kolkata for the past few years are in the process of being evicted by the Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority. Okay, here see. 200 squatter families means all the families, small families, and they stays in Nonadanga, which is there in Kolkata. Okay, which is there in Kolkata, east side of Kolkata, East Kolkata. And next they have developed, what they have developed? Metropolitan Development Authority, KMDA. That is Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority. Yes. Okay. Many families came to Kolkata in search of work after the Alias super cyclone ravaged Sundarbans in 2009. Okay. See here, they have faced some problems. Okay. They have shifted from one place to another place. Okay. From the Nonadanga, which is there in east side of Kolkata, they have to go to other place. Why? Because some problem is going to be happen, and many families came to Kolkata to search small jobs or else work, daily work, labor work, electrician work. All the types of works are there to find the amount. Okay, we have to earn income. Each and every family have to get income. Without income, we can't stay in this world. And they are faced some problem like super cyclone ravaged Sundarbans in 2009. In the year of 2009, they have faced a Alias cyclone. Okay, it's a super cyclone. Ayla. Okay, in the year of 2009, they have suffered from Alias super cyclone, and they came to Kolkata to find some work. Okay, with the cyclone. On March 30, the slum was bulldozed and heavy police presence and some hutments were set on fire. Okay, see here, they are, sorry ma, from the slum areas they have suffered and they came back to police presence and some hutments were set on fire. Set on fire means, okay, set on fire. They have also entered into the fire which has some injury for them. And next, the recurrent thunderstorms over the past few days have meant sleepies and solid nights for nearly 700 people who have been rendered homeless. They work as house helps, rickshaw pullers and construction laborers. Okay, many people, 700 people are facing so many problems. Why? Because they are not having a proper house to live. Okay, and they are searching for a small jobs like construction at a building and contractor based, and some people are getting work in a daily in a house, and someone are trying to get some rickshaws, autos like that. Why? Because they have to get an income source in their daily life. Underline these words in this para. Page number 55, third para. Slum. People living in a temporary houses. In the slum area, who are people living in a one house? Those are called as slum area. Temporary house for them. And the next is recurrent thunderstorms. Okay, taking place and again and again. Taking the place again and again. Sundarbans. Okay, underline that also. A place near to Kolkata. Okay, in the 2000 years, Sundarbans. Okay, this is a place which is there in the Kolkata. And next is the other effect would be on rainfall. This is likely to be more erratic and lead to greater imbalances. Some places are likely to receive excess rainfall whereas other would get less than normal. Yes, maybe some rainfall will be heavy or low. In some places, heavy or high rainfall. In some places, low rainfall. Okay, and see here, they receive excess rainfall whereas other would get less rainfall normal. Okay, they'll get less rainfall. It is normal rainfall. And some issues are happened in the area which is there in Sundarbans and also in the Kolkata. Some places are likely to receive, hence droughts and floods are expected to increase. This would affect the agriculture pattern and people's livelihood to great extent. Yes, see here, droughts and floods. If the floods come, yes, before 1 month back, so many areas in our Hyderabad only, they have suffered from the floods. Yes, each and every place. Maybe like near to Charminar. Yes, Begumpet and some other places which they have suffered from the floods, and government are helping them to get their food. We have seen in our news channels, newspapers, yes or no children, they suffered a lot. So many people, some people they lost their everything which is there in the house. Yes, food, eatables, everything, and some people of MLAs of that surrounding area, they provided them food, yes, some clothes, and still no, the problem is not solved. And next, they would affect the agriculture. Yes, not only the houses, farmers who are doing farmer, they will also facing problems like agriculture. Yes, each and everything has collapsed with the floods. They also face some problems. Why? Because they are not having own income. They have to borrow from the banks who are not having money. Yes or no? They have to repay the loan to the bank. Monthly interest also they have to pay. It's a bank. How much loan they are taking? For that, they have to give back the amount to the bank. Yes, if they are not getting a proper profit, yes, how they will be getting problems? So many problems. And next, the faster melting of Himalayas glaciers will disturb the livelihood of freshwater fisher folk as their natural habitat of fish is affected. Similarly, freak weather conditions that you read about are likely to increase. Climate change is something that happens at a global level, therefore it affects all of us. See, correctly, if the globe is affecting the climate changes, our word will be get. Yes or no? If the globe is getting some problem instead of climate and weather changes, we will be suffer about the weather condition. Yes, nowadays weather conditions will be changes in the morning time, afternoon time, evening time, and also in the night time. We'll get degrees Celsius. How much today we are staying at how many degrees Celsius? And we have completed this lesson Climate of India. Once I'll repeat the keywords, okay, which are there in the textbook, whole year textbooks, and page number 56. Climograph, weather, monsoon, insolation, jet streamers, pressure zone, global warming. Okay, once again, climograph, weather, monsoon, insolation, jet streams, pressure zone, global warming. Okay, hold your textbook in your hands and I'll give you the notes. Okay, you have to take from your workbook. Okay. Read the following statements and find out they are an example of weather or climate. Okay, they have given two bits, A1 and B1. During the last few years, many glaciers have melted in Himalayas. Second one is, during the last few decades, drought is Vidarbha region has increased. Okay, these two options you have to write. And how they are melted in the Himalayas. Next, second question is match the following. Use maps in your cannot locate the places. Would you multiply correct answers? Okay, they have given you three options. You have to get a correct match the following which is there in the question. Describe India's climate controls. How the India's climate controls, okay, regarding about the climate, weather, climograph, etc. Okay, and write from your workbook. Write a short note on factors influencing climate variation in hilly areas and desert. Okay, in the previous class I said you to write a short note on influencing factors affecting climate and weather. Okay, here also same they have given, but in hilly areas and desert he has mentioned. This fourth one is very important. And next question, fifth, how are human activities contributing to global warming? How we are activities for the global warming? What are the disagreements between developed and developing countries about AGW? Okay, I said you developed countries, developing countries, how they will do in the AGW. Okay, that is much important, and underline that is also very important. How is climate change causing global warming? Suggest measures to minimize the influence of the global warming. Changes causing in the global warming. Okay, global warming. How it will be changes. Okay, global warming changes. If the globe is getting a change, then each and every state, everything, every country will be climatic conditions will change. Like that, you have to write. Or an outline map of India show the following. Okay, take one outline India map and mark the first, second, and third areas recorded with more than 40 degrees Celsius annual mean temperature. Yes, I said you in the first class about the 20 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees Celsius. Like that, you have to mark the how much degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius is there, you have to mark or underline. Area recorded with annual mean temperature less than 10 degrees Celsius. Yes, I have shown you in your textbook how much degrees it's going to be increase and decrease, that you have to mark. The direction of the southwest monsoon over India. Okay, which direction? Southwest monsoon is north, south, east, west. Which side? Which direction is there? We have to mark that. Observe the following climograph and answer the following questions. Which month received the highest rainfall? Okay, these all are the answers for you, and you have to write the answers. How much higher rainfall in which month it will be comes? That you have to write. Which months experience the highest and the lowest temperature? Which month is the lowest temperature and which month is the highest temperature? 42 to 43 degrees Celsius. Okay, highest temperature, and lowest temperature 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Which one will be? In which month it will come? You have to write. Why does the maximum amount of rainfall happen between the June and October? Why? Because maximum rainfall in the month of June and October. Which month? June, July, August, September or October. Okay, write that answer also. Why is the temperature high between March and May? Why? In the March month and the till May month. Why the temperature will be very high? Maybe it crosses to 44 degrees Celsius also in the May. March, April, May. Okay? Why? And which month will be the between highest temperature between these 3 months? Or March, April, May, June, July. Sorry, not June, July. March, April, May. 3 months. Identify relief conditions causing variation in the temperature and rainfall. See the condition, relief conditions, how they cause variations in the temperature and rainfall. When, how much should be the temperature, rainfall? How much will be the temperature when rainfall comes? That you have to write. Okay. Next question. In the page number 57, they have given you a graph. Yes? Once go through that and see carefully and write the answer. Read the fourth paragraph of page 53, that is earlier cycles of dash because of human activities, and comment on 8. Okay? Take out your page number 53, read the paragraph and write the comment on earlier cycles of because of human activities and comment on it. You have to write about that. And okay, with this we have completed our lesson Climate of India. Thank you children, thanks a lot. With the new session I will explain you in the next class. Thank you children, have a nice day, keep smiling.